Trees. I think I like trees because they stand so tall, planted firmly within the earth, rooted so deep their wings can burst through concrete. Examples of perfection, precision expressions commanding attention while stretching in every direction. We learn that rarity is a blessing, and nature is an essence to be embodied daily, because we have the necessity to consume the energies of this earth. I wonder if the roots of the trees touch the earth's core, exploring layers of life expanding well beyond the ocean shore. Buried deep trees surpass the limits of our time and prove that God is breathed. The connection of soul and source becomes intertwined, and divine branches of life allow us to peer into the light, our spirits shining bright, no longer blinded by human plight. Because of trees, we breathe and receive the confirmation to just be.